In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a swing trade scan in TradingView. By the end, you'll have a saved TradingView stock screener that filters for uptrending, liquid stocks showing a controlled pullback with strong technical and analyst ratings. First, open the TradingView screener. From the top menu, go to Products, then Screeners, and select Stocks. The screener will open with a results table and a filters area. Now set the time frame. At the top of the screener, change the time frame to 1 day or daily. This aligns the scan with swing trade conditions that develop over days, not minutes. Next, apply the swing criteria using technical filters. Open the filters panel if it isn't already visible. Start with the trend filters. In the search box inside filters, type moving average. Add moving average 200 and set it to be less than price. Then add moving average 50 and also set it to be less than price. This ensures the current price is above both the 200 and the 50 period moving averages, which confirms an uptrend. As you apply each filter, watch the results update in real time. Now set the momentum condition. Search for EMA, add EMA 20, and then add EMA 50. Configure EMA 20 to be greater than EMA 50. This stacks the short-term exponential average above the medium-term average and supports bullish momentum. Add the pullback or value condition next. Search for Relative Strength Index or RSI. Choose Relative Strength Index 14 and set it to be between 40 and 60. This keeps the scan focused on stocks that are not overbought or oversold, often resting within an uptrend. Add a liquidity filter so the results are tradable. Search for average volume and select average volume 90-day. Set it to be greater than 500,000 or 1 million. Either threshold works. The higher number will narrow the results to more liquid names. Now add the fundamental and rating filters. In the filter search, look for technical rating. Set technical rating to strong buy. This combines multiple technical signals and helps you keep only the strongest setups. Next, add analyst rating. Set analyst rating to buy or strong buy. This adds a layer of analyst consensus to the technical picture without overriding it. At this point, the screener should be showing a focused list that fits an uptrend, has bullish momentum, is pulling back into value, has sufficient volume, and is supported by ratings. If you need to adjust any thresholds, use the same fields you just added. Small changes will immediately reflect in the table. To refine further, open the Filters Options menu. Click the 3 dots or the menu in the Filters area to add any specific criteria you want to see on screen while keeping the current conditions intact. Make only the adjustments you need. Your existing swing criteria will remain applied. Once that's done, save your scan. Click the Save screen as button in the screener toolbar. This stores all of your filters, time frame, and settings so you can reuse the swing trade scan whenever you open the stock screener. You can now scroll through the results, and the list will continuously match your swing trade conditions on the 1D time frame. Moving average 200 less than price, moving average 50 less than price, EMA 20 greater than EMA 50, Relative Strength Index 14 between 40 and 60, average volume 90-day greater than 500,000 or 1 million, technical rating set to strong buy, and analyst rating set to buy or strong buy. If you ever need to tweak a filter, reopen filters, make the change, and save again to update your saved screen. That's it. Your swing trade scan in TradingView is now built, saved, and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.